Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to score high in Bubble Cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up the game, and now here what you need to do is aim for combos and chain reactions strategically to create large bubble clusters and trigger chain reactions. Now second is to prioritize special shots, that is bank shots and precision shots, and third is to use power-ups wisely like fireball and bubbles, aiming line extension, and save power-ups for tight situations or big combo opportunities. Fourth is to play fast but accurately, and fifth is to target higher bubbles, and sixth is to know bubble colors and plan ahead, and seventh is to practice daily. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.